Have you ever wondered how the squishy, colorful dough you adored as a child comes to life? Let's look at the amazing process of making Play-Doh in modern factories. The journey begins with combining simple ingredients to create the iconic Play-Doh compound. The foundation of Play-Doh is a blend of everyday materials that have been carefully measured to ensure consistent results. The structural base is flour, and the combination is bound together with water. Salt not only improves the texture, but it also serves as a preservative, extending the product's shelf life. The starch-based binder increases the dough's malleability, allowing it to be reshaped repeatedly without cracking or drying out too rapidly. These base ingredients are dumped into enormous stainless steel mixers, each capable of creating hundreds of pounds of dough at once. Inside, strong paddles revolve at different rates to guarantee that each component is distributed equally. Precise automation ensures that the proper ratios are maintained, eliminating fluctuations between batches and achieving the flawless consistency that has become synonymous with Play-Doh. During this step, extra special ingredients are added to strengthen the dough's toughness and prevent it from crumbing during play. Technicians closely monitor the mixing process, testing small samples for texture and homogeneity, and making adjustments as necessary to meet the company's stringent quality standards. To maintain Play-Doh's renowned safety and quality, factories source high-grade, food-safe materials for every batch. The flour and salt are rigorously tested for purity before use, and the water undergoes filtration to remove any impurities. Proprietary additives, developed through years of research, ensure the dough remains soft and pliable even after extended play. This meticulous approach guarantees that Play-Doh meets the highest safety standards for children's products worldwide. Its elasticity and iconic texture. The dough is transferred from the mixers to specialized heating chambers, where mild, controlled heat activates the starch-based binders. This step is critical for creating the malleable yet durable texture that Play-Doh is known for. The heating procedure also eliminates any excess moisture from the dough, making it less sticky and less likely to dry up. After heating, the dough is fed into industrial kneading machines with mechanical arms that simulate the motions of conventional hand kneading. These machines use even pressure to continually stretch the dough, making it soft and simple to manipulate while keeping structural integrity during play. The kneading machines are programmable, allowing technicians to vary the time and intensity of the process depending on the dough's composition. Sensors constantly check the dough's temperature and consistency to avoid overworking, which could reduce its elasticity. This procedure guarantees that each batch of Play-Doh is uniformly smooth, flexible, and ready to color. To enhance the process, factories use energy-efficient heating systems that evenly distribute heat throughout the dough. This ensures consistent activation of the binders without overcooking or damaging the dough's texture. Additionally, advanced kneading machines mimic the nuanced movements of hand kneading, incorporating just the right amount of air into the dough to achieve its soft and moldable consistency. The dough's temperature and elasticity are monitored throughout this stage to ensure uniformity across every batch. Next, the dough is transformed with a spectrum of colors and its distinctive, nostalgic scent. After kneading, the dough is separated into smaller sections, each of which will be colored differently. Food-safe dyes are pumped into the dough, and industrial mixers completely mix the pigment to guarantee even distribution. This phase produces the rich, vibrant colors that make Play-Doh instantly recognized and enjoyable for use. At the same time, the trademark Play-Doh scent, a gentle blend of vanilla, almond, and other proprietary notes, is infused into the dough. This aroma not only enhances the sensory experience, but also brings back memories for generations of Play-Doh fans. The fragrance is carefully created to be non-toxic and soothing, meeting the highest safety regulations for children's goods. During this stage, the dough is passed through high-speed rollers, which aids in the further integration of color and aroma. Technicians conduct visual inspections and scent testing on random samples to guarantee that the finished product matches the company's famous standards. Any discrepancies are addressed before the dough progresses to the next stage. Factories take great care to create a wide palette of vibrant colors, ensuring consistency across every batch. Each color is precisely formulated to maintain its vibrancy without staining hands or surfaces, a hallmark of Play-Doh's thoughtful design. Similarly, the scent is carefully balanced to be distinctive yet subtle, tested repeatedly to ensure it evokes nostalgia for adults while delighting children. These elements make each Play-Doh container instantly recognizable and universally appealing. Rigorous quality control ensures every batch of Play-Doh meets the highest standards before it is packaged for play. Each batch of dough is taken to a specialized quality control lab where professionals evaluate important attributes like texture, elasticity, and color brilliance. These checks guarantee that the dough is soft and flexible while still having the structural integrity to hold shapes. Any deviations from the standard are quickly reported and changes are implemented. Safety is a primary consideration, especially for a product intended for youngsters. Tests are carried out to ensure that the dough is free of hazardous chemicals and allergies. Chemical analysis are used to verify non-toxic certifications, and the dough is tested for resilience to drying up over time, assuring it can give hours of play without becoming unusable. To imitate real-world use, the dough is subjected to stress tests that involve rolling, stretching, and molding repeatedly. This helps to ensure its durability under a variety of play scenarios. The quality control team also checks the consistency of the additional colors and scents to ensure uniformity across all containers in a batch. Beyond physical testing, Play-Doh undergoes rigorous chemical analysis to ensure it adheres to international safety standards. Specialized equipment measures pH levels, moisture content, and allergen safety to confirm the dough is non-toxic and suitable for young children. Factories also conduct environmental stress tests by exposing the dough to varying temperatures and humidity levels, ensuring it retains its pliability and doesn't dry out or crumble under diverse conditions. Once approved, the dough is carefully portioned, sealed, and packaged to maintain its freshness and vibrant appeal. The Play-Doh is separated into precise pieces by automated machines that weigh each quantity with fantastic accuracy. These parts are then extruded into the famous Play-Doh containers, assuring uniform size and shape throughout all units. The containers are specifically intended to keep the dough soft and fresh between usage. Each container is tightly sealed with a snap-on lid, retaining the dough's wetness and aroma. Labels with the Play-Doh logo and product information are attached to the containers. Additional packaging for themed sets offer innovative designs as well as directions for creating specific shapes or figures. The packaging process is optimized to meet worldwide demand, with containers automatically packaged into sets of different colors or packed with peripherals such as cutters and rollers. Before being shipped, each item is given a final visual inspection to ensure that it satisfies Play-Doh's high standards. To minimize waste, factories have optimized the portioning process with highly accurate dispensing systems that ensure no excess dough is left behind. The containers themselves are designed to be stackable, making them easy to store and transport. For themed sets, specialized packaging machines include accessories like molds, cutters, and rollers, which are placed carefully alongside the Play-Doh containers. This attention to detail ensures every set is as exciting and engaging as possible. Finally, the packaged Play-Doh is distributed to retailers worldwide, ready to spark creativity in children everywhere. Once packed, the Play-Doh sets are sorted and palletized for convenient transportation. Shipments are organized using advanced logistics software, ensuring that the relevant products arrive at their precise destination in an efficient manner. Warehouses are carefully climate-controlled to keep the merchandise intact as it awaits shipment. Boxes of Play-Doh are loaded onto trucks and transported to retail locations, distribution centers, and online fulfillment hubs. Each cargo is tracked using real-time monitoring technologies to ensure timely delivery. Play-Doh is supplied to international markets in sealed containers to keep it safe throughout long journeys. Play-Doh's global scope necessitates arranging deliveries to businesses in over 75 countries, ranging from huge department stores to independent toy shops. The voyage culminates with the famous colorful containers being placed on store shelves, ready to inspire the next generation of young creators. To ensure timely deliveries, Play-Doh factories use innovative logistics systems that track shipments in real time, optimizing routes for efficiency and reducing delivery times. For international markets, products are shipped in climate-controlled containers to maintain the dough's quality, even during long transits. Retail partnerships with major toy stores and online platforms ensure that Play-Doh is accessible to families worldwide, whether it is found on store shelves or delivered directly to their doorstep. In recent years, Play-Doh has embraced sustainability and innovation to create a product that is as eco-friendly as it is fun. Play-Doh factories are now using renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines to fuel their operations. This change minimizes the carbon impact of each batch, resulting in a greener production method. Packaging materials have also developed, with recyclable plastics and cardboard supplied from sustainable forests. Even the containers are intended for reuse, encouraging families to utilize them for arts and crafts or storage. Play-Doh continues to innovate by exploring biodegradable dough formulas, with the goal of balancing creativity and environmental responsibility. Through these initiatives, the business hopes to shape a brighter, more sustainable future while also bringing delight to future generations. In addition to eco-friendly energy sources and packaging, Play-Doh factories actively reduce their environmental impact by recycling excess dough and repurposing factory waste. Innovative research teams continuously explore ways to incorporate biodegradable materials into the formula while maintaining its iconic texture and safety standards. These initiatives reflect Play-Doh's commitment to fostering creativity while protecting the planet for future generations. Beyond its manufacturing process, Play-Doh's impact extends to homes, schools, and creative spaces worldwide. Play-Doh is more than simply a toy. It is a tool for learning and artistic expression. In the school, it is used to teach shapes, letters, and fine motor skills. Art therapists use it to help children express their feelings. And architects and designers utilize it as a tactile medium for developing ideas during brainstorming sessions. After more than 75 years, Play-Doh has become a universal language of creativity. It is accessible in over 75 countries, with region-specific sets tailored to local customs and traditions. Play-Doh continues to inspire creativity on a global scale, with themed kits and special edition colors. The brand's influence is also evident in community outreach projects, in which Play-Doh provides items to schools, hospitals, and underserved regions. These efforts ensure that the joy of creativity reaches as many people as possible, solidifying Play-Doh's status as a global ambassador of play. From simple ingredients to the squishy, colorful fun we all know and love, Play-Doh is a masterpiece of creativity, innovation, and joy. The next time you open a container of Play-Doh, you'll be reminded of the extraordinary adventure that led to the creation of imaginative play. It's not simply dough. It is a tool for creating limitless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get more fascinating insights into the world's most adored masterpieces. Until next time, keep creating and being inspired.